Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you, and would like to welcome to our uh, session on UGC Net Political Science Mega MCQ 7 on dated 11th December 2024. We are together here to discuss very important questions from your political process in India. This question is not only important for exam point of view but also important to provide you a better understanding on political process in India. Let me brief you about this unity. These unity are very much in factual in natures, and each and every year maximum question are coming from this unity in our examinations. So to score better, you need to solve this question with proper manner, dedications, and understanding. These are all crucial for your examination UGC NET. UGC NET examination is one of the national competitive examination which test the knowledge of students to qualify them as a assistant professor, as a research scholars for the better research in our country. So guys, without delay and without any kind of miss or any kind of we can say that dilemma, let's start our today discussions. So today topics include identity politics, social movement and civil society. So let's start, and before that the number of questions for today is 20. Make sure that you will attempt all the questions and get benefit out of these all questions. Agree? Let's start. First question in front of you. Now choose the correct statement. According to Bipin Chandra, political elites play an instrumental role in rise of communalisms. Second statement, Asghar Ali engineer blame antagonism between Hindu and Muslim as a reason of communalism. Third, Paul Brass suggested that everyone loves good riots in India, all parties are benefited. So, everyone, stay focused. Now, three options for question number one. Three statement we can say that, and for this three statement you have a option code and you need to choose or select the option code to attempt these questions. So here you go with this option code. This is your option A, that means only 1 and 2, B only 2 and 3, C only 1 and 3, and D all are correct. I hope you could able to provide the correct answer for the question on the thinker like Bipin Chandra, Asghar Ali engineer, Paul Brass. So let me allow to solve this question on the thinker like Bipin Chandra, Asghar Ali engineer and Paul Brass. So the first, according to Bipin Chandra, political elites play an instrumental role in rise of communalism. Then second option, Asghar Ali engineer blames antagonism between Hindu Muslim as a reason of communalism. Option 2 is eliminate. Option 2 is incorrect because this is not correct. So if you eliminate option basically 2, then your remaining option C. That means here first statement or third statement is correct. Paul Brass suggested that everyone loves good riots in India, all party are benefited. Okay, all party in the sense political party get benefit out of riots. Then Bipin Chandra said that elites play instrumental role in rise of communalism. So here 1 and 3 is correct. So answer for this question is option C. Very nice. Another question, that which of the following is not true about the caste system in India? So I mean to say a question on caste system in India and not true we need to find. Option A, caste is based on the criteria of purity and pollution. Option B, caste represents economic stratification of society. Option C, caste system has a feature of restricted social mobility. Option D, all of the above. The question number 2, and it asks about caste system in India. You need to find out not true regarding the caste system in India. There are 4 options before you, and out of the 4 options, including A, B, C, D, you guys need to find which one is incorrect. This is your questions, and I hope and I believe you could able to provide correct answer. Let me allow to provide the correct answer for question number 2 that talks about caste system in India, and you need to find incorrect. Option B is incorrect because caste represent economic stratification. No, your caste system is based on birth. birth, birth. By birth, a caste system is determined. A people are rich, a people are poor, it is not their caste, it is their class. It is their class. But caste something in India determined by a birth. No matter how you rich or poor, but your caste is something rigidity in India. In a general sense, caste system in India we understand. So with this we move to the another question. Question number uh, question number 3. Question number 3 is all about the different leader are there and the leader associate with which movement. Okay, like Bhitala Ramji Sindhe leader, Sri Narayan Guru, then T.M. Nair and Ramkrishna Pillai. So these are your leader and related movement like Nair movement, Justice Party movement, Aribhipuram movement, the depressed class mission society. So these are your movement and here your leader, and question is about match the following. So please look at question number 3 very carefully. Meanwhile I will show you the options after your uh, watch of the questions. So let me allow to show the option, and guys here is the option. And I believe you guys able to provide the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is option D, that means 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. So 1D, that means your Bhinde Ramji Sindhe related to the depressed class mission society. C Narayan Guru is related to your what? Your basically the Aribhipuram movement. Okay, C Narayan Guru. T.M. Nair related to your Justice Party movement. Okay, so Justice Party movement is basically T.M. Nair, and Ramkrishna Pillai, your Nair movement. Get it? Got it? So these are the leader and they associate with the different movement. So do remember Sri Narayan Guru related to the Arvipuram movement, and it's very important from your examination point of view. So with this note, move to the another question. The another question that for according to who the caste system not entirely rigid and social mobility can be seen on basis of numerical majority and land ownerships. Option A Rudolph, B Christopher Jefferlot, C M.N. Srinivas, D Satish Deshpande. So the question number 4 that talk about that to whom the caste system is not entirely rigid but it is a social mobility can be seen on basis of numerical majority and land ownerships. I mean to say that now if a people born in a one caste, if a people born in a one caste, there is a chance they can migrate to the another caste based on the numerical majority or the land ownerships, right? the the direct thing, or we can say, I mean to say, na social mobility can be possible in caste system. So you need to find out who this statement related to whom. I believe you could able to provide the correct answer. Correct answer for this question option C, Srinivas. MN Srinivas talk about that thing. Another concept do remember regarding MN Srinivas, Sanskritizations. So the concept of a Sanskritization is related to MN Srinivas. What does it mean? Now Sanskritizations deals with the social mobility, and that believes now a higher caste people practice the culture, the tradition, the behavior, the the custom of the higher caste people to get a higher position or higher status in the society. Say for example, a lower caste people in a village try to do the different kind of activity like a higher caste people do. For what? Because to get some kind of recognition in the society, that is known as the Sanskritization. I believe this is uh, pretty clear to you, because nowadays this concept is very much popular in our society, and usually we notice how the system and how the people behave as per their due need and recognition. Then question number 4. With this we come to question number 5, that who among the following thinker does not believes that caste system has strengthened the Indian democracy? Option A, Yogendra Yadav. B, Asutosh Bharsane. C, Rajani Kothari. D, Rudolph. I mean to say that question number 5 on that which thinker does not believe the caste system has beneficial for Indian democracy, or a negative factor for Indian democracy, in a way we can say that. So the correct answer for question number 5, option B is answer. According to Asutosh Bharsane, the caste system does not strengthen Indian democracy. Then with this note we come to the question number 6, and question number 6 talk about the term Dalit was first used by Ambedkar for oppressed class, untouchable caste of the Hindu. Second statement, Yogendra Yadav has explained interaction between caste and politics in India in his democratic observes. Here the statement, like both the statement are correct, both are incorrect, first correct, second incorrect, first incorrect, second correct. So you need to find out that which statement is correct. I believe you could able to provide the correct answer, and the correct answer for question number 6 is option D. That means first statement is incorrect and second is correct. So your homework will be that who coined the term first time Dalit. Okay, it is your homework, and I hope that you guys will search it, that who basically used or coined the term Dalit for the first time. So option D is the answer. I have already told you. Moving to the another question. This question number 7, that Wilkinson said democratic state protect minority when it is in their government's electoral interest to do so. A reason that he suggested higher political competition in election lead to lower communal rewards. So choose the correct answer. So this is one kind of best and very important question in our examination. So the correct answer for this question is option C. But I believe in this question some problem, and meanwhile I will check and revert to you. So I will mark this question star because I have a doubt in this question. So moving to the another question, question number 8. And question number 8 talk about arrange the following pigeon movement in a sequence that first or second or according to the year of the different pigeon movement that took place, you need to arrange in a sequence. Option A, Deccan Riots. B, Bardoli Satyagraha. C, Pavana movement. D, Tehbag movement. Then choose the correct option. These are your options, and you need to find out that appropriate answer and that arranged in a sequence order. It's a very important question and play a very crucial part in our examination, because UGC net examination based on the chronology based questions, and people are get stuck in these questions because you have to remember very factual data or informations. So that's why I am telling you to join our course. So the correct answer for this question is option your what B. B is the answer. That means first your Pavana movement, then after Deccan movement, then after your Bardoli in Gujarat, right, and Tehbag in West Bengal. So one kind of question uh, can be formed here, that which pigeon movement related to which state, like Tehbag movement West Bengal, Bardoli Satyagraha your Gujarat. Okay, so they can ask the question that Bardoli Satyagraha related to which state, Tehbag movement related to which states, right? So that could be possible also. Then moving to the another question, again we came to the another arrange in following sequence. Question number 9, that first labor agitation organized labor union in India. B, first labor agitation in the history of India. C, first strike in history of India. D, first modern trade union in India. And choose the correct option. And I believe you could able to provide the correct answer for the question number 9 on different labor related concept. So let me provide the correct answer for all of you. So the answer for this question is option D. Okay, option D, that means your first labor agitation in the history of India, then first organized labor, then first strike in history of India, and first modern trade union in India. So these are the following labor union basically related information in India, and this is your chronology. So there can be a chance they can ask the question, now in which your first organized labor union took place, first labor agitations, first strike, first modern trade. That you need to remember. It's very important, and to assess this thing you need to purchase our notes. Then moving to the another question, question number 10. 10 is talk about adjacent and adjacent based question, that United Province of Kisan Sabha was organized in 1918 by Gauri Shankar Mishra and Indra Narayan Dwivedi. Reason, no revenue campaign was launched in Ekka movement. So here is the option, and you go with the option. I believe you could able to provide the correct answer. Let me provide the correct answer for the question like Kisan Sabha as well as no revenue campaign. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that United Province Kisan Sabha was organized in 1918. Do remember, this is very important, and it's related to Indra Narayan Dwivedi. And your no revenue campaign, it's not related to Eka movement, that you need to remember. This is how option R is incorrect and A is true. That's why option C is the correct answer. Again, another arrange like questions regarding arrange the following tribal movement of India in sequence. uh, Roman letter first, Khond uprising, then Tana Bhagwat movement, then Santhal uprising and Mizo uprising. I believe all things are pretty clear to you, and there is no problem regarding the letter, regarding the PPT, regarding the video clarity and different thing. So answer for this question is option B. B, like first your the Khond uprising, then your like Santhal uprising, then your basically Tana Bhagwat movement, and for your Mizo. So Mizo, the tribal movement that took place after the independence. Okay, so there are to remember the different tribal movement in India, there are two steps to remember. First, that what are the tribal movement that are taken place during the time of pre-independence, and there are another type of tribal movement that are taken place after the basically independence, that means post independence. So one is the pre, another one is the post, right? So nice. Then moving to the another question. So before moving to the another question, a very important information to all the people those are serious for their examination, and they can join our paid MCQ batch rapid fire. In this rapid fire, we are discussing different MCQ, quality MCQ in unit wise, and providing the good quality of content and the valuable questions that are essential for your UGC NET political science examination. These questions are arranged in such a way that fulfill the need and requirement of UGC NET on political science. So do join our paid MCQ batch. To access this course, you just ping a message in my email ID, and I have also told that don't delay to join our paid MCQ batch, and because it's very important, many people join, and if you think, then you should join rather than making any kind of delay. Like you've seen the quality type of question provided in YouTube, in similar way the very high level content are providing in our Telegram MCQ batch. So you can join that batch and you can get the MCQ, unit wise MCQ, daily MCQ provide through the poll options. Okay, so the through the poll options. Okay, I am not providing PDF there, I am providing the poll, and different questions are basically attempt only the poll mode each day, providing the 25 questions that for practicing purpose. So I believe you guys will join very soon. So let's moving to the another question. Question number 12. Question number 12 is about the mass Dalit movement with leader. So these are Dalit movement and the leader you need to match. So first Dalit movement, like Dalit Panther movement, self-respect movement, Dalit Panther Ayakam, and Dalit Buddhist movement. Leader M. A. Malalachami, then your second Ambedkar, then your third Periyar, and the fourth Namdeo Dasal. So these are the leader and the related movement. So you need to match which leader related to which movement. I believe you are getting my point, that what I am trying to say here. So the correct answer for this question on tribal movement and respective leader, answer of the question option C. That means here is the option C, 1 4 second third, third first and fourth 2. So here you can match 1 4 Dalit Panther movement, that is Namoyu Dasal. Okay, Namdeo Dasal. Okay, so N Dasal, N Dasal. N Dhassal, Dalit Panther movement. Self-respect movement, that is 1925 Periyar. Who? Periyar. So Periyar associate with your self-respect movement. Dalit Panther icon M. Malalchami. Then Dalit Buddhist movement, you all know that Ambedkar. Dalit Buddhist movement, Ambedkar. Very good. So with this note we come to the another questions, that is question number your 13, and question number 13 in front of you, and this is talk about your pigeon movement and the area. So now this time they that pigeon movement and state of area, and you need to match. So the pigeon movement, option A Deccan Riot, Mofla uprising, Eka movement, Titumir movement, state Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Malabar. So I believe you could able to provide the correct answer. Let me provide you the correct answer. The answer for this question is option A. That means your Deccan Riot, it's Maharashtra. Deccan Riot, Maharashtra. Then Mofla uprising, Malabar. Then Eka movement, your UP, Uttar Pradesh, and Titumir movement, your West Bengal, that is WB. Okay, so I believe this is very much clear to all of you. Then moving to the another question, that arrange the following activity related to working class movement in sequence. So sequence, arrange this working class movement in sequence. So Hind Mazdoor Sabha, Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association, Bombay Mill Hand Association, Indian National Trade Union Congress, and these are your code. Let's try to arrange in sequence. So I believe you could able to provide the correct answer. Let me show the answer key to all of you. That answer for this question option B. Option B, that first your basically Bombay Mill Hand Association, then second your Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association, then Indian National Trade Union Congress, then last the Hindi Mazdoor Sabha. So these are the working class movement, and you had to arrange in a sequence, right? Moving to the another question, question number 15, that which among the following statement is incorrect about Dalit movement in India? Okay, I mean to say that the Dalit movement in India, and that related incorrect to Dalit movement from the out of four options. So option A Ambedkar sought a constitutional or a legal path for Dalit empowerment. Right? Dalit started resisting subjugation and discrimination in only peaceful way. Third option, Dalit Panther were inspired by Black Panther Party. Fourth, Dalit Buddhist movement was launched in 1924 by Ambedkar. Choose the option. I believe you could able to provide the correct answer for this question, and the answer for this question is option D, that they basically talk about here incorrect. Okay, so that's why the option 2 and 4 is incorrect. I know that most of the people made incorrect here because they have not seen the option incorrect, the word incorrect. Let me tell you one thing. You need to see the incorrect word, correct word, and for that one have to read the question very carefully from starting the question to the last options. Okay, till last options, because UGC NET examination is not like your SSB, PGT, OPSC, PGT examinations. Here they will try to twist and turn around the different things. So the better thing that you have to very serious when you read a questions, because a one word can obstacle for you to crack this examination, because it's a very important thing. You have to read the correct or incorrect. Many questions including me have done mistakes. So this is how my personal advice to all of you. If you serious, then read the question carefully. Then again we come to another very important question, and this question is about match the women organization with leaders. So the talk about that leader and they related to the women organization, you need to basically match. Women organization like Bharat Stree Mandal, second Sarada Sadan, third Women India Association, fourth All India Women Conference. Leader Annie Besant and Margaret Curzon, second Margaret Curzon, third Sarala Devi Chaudharani, fourth Pandita Ramabai. Then your option. So I believe you could able to provide the correct answer on women organization and related leaders. Let me provide the correct answer. So the answer for these questions, option C. Yes, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. It's a very important question. Bharat Sri Mahamandala. It's related to your Sarala Devi Chaudharani. Sarada Sadan, you all know Pandita Ramabai. Women India Association related to Annie Besant and Curzon, and All India Women Conference related to the Margaret Curzon. So it's my humble request that you do remember the Sarada Sadan by Pandita Ramabai. So it's a very important concept or the information to for your examinations. Okay, moving to the another question, and question number 7 talk about who consider tribal movement after independence as a peasant movement. Okay, I meant to say that now peasant movement, tribal movement as a peasant movement after independence, that means in post independence, who consider the tribal movement and peasant movements are equal. So option A K.S. Singh, B S.M. Dubey, C Ranjit Guha, D L.K. Mahapatra. So I believe you could able to provide the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is option C. That is how the Ranjit Guha said that the tribal movement after the pre-independence is also known as peasant movement. Then moving to the another question, and here you go with question number 18, that which of the following two statements are incorrect about civil society in India? Option 1, civil society activity in India were started in 20th century. Option 2, self-help organization like Friends of Labour Society help in raising the issue of labor class. Option third, Gandhian organization engaged in social uplift of the depressed section of Indian society. Option 4, English speaking Indians raised demand for extension of English education and employment opportunity to the educated middle class in post independence era. Choose the option. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that civil society basically in India, it's not only 18th 20th century, but before that there was a civil society in India, right? So that's why option 1 is incorrect. Then fourth, English speaking India raised demand for extension of English education, it's totally wrong. So option D is the answer for question number 18. Then we come to the question number 19, that adjacent in 1990s, India experienced the advent of new form of civil society organization and activisms. Reason, instead of social service and reform, civil society organizations shifted their focus towards empowerment, rights, development, governance, and accountability. I believe you could able to provide the answer on the new form of civil society or new civil society movement. So the correct answer for this question option A. So here we need to understand. I mean to say that na civil society, that to new civil society movement originated in 1990s, and it is something different from the old social movement. New social movement has interested in your social reform, empowerment, your rights, environmental concerns, and development organ accountability and governance. So new social movement are more emphasized on humanistic aspect rather than your specific interest of a community. It talks about the interest of the society at a general, and new social movement is originated in 1990s. So do remember these things is going to a crucial and landmark for your UGC NET exams in political science. Moving to the another question number 20, that petition for disqualification of convicted MPs and MLA was filed by, I mean to say that, now which of the following civil society for the first time appeal before the Honorable Court on convicted MPs and MLA. Option A, Naz Foundation; B, Smile Foundation; C, Gunj; D, Lokpurhari. Believe me, trust me, it's a very important question, and nowadays it's going to be uh, uh, like important in your upcoming UGC NET political science examinations. And I hope you could able to provide the correct answer on the disqualification of convicted MP and MLA. So the answer for this question is option D. Lok Prohari is one kind of civil society who challenge on disqualification of convicted MLA and MP. So guys, with this note we come to conclusion of our today's session, and I believe these 20 questions is a landmark and milestone for all of you those are preparing for this examination in very serious manners. To crack this examination, we are here with you with a bunch of questions that not only provide questions but also provide a better understanding on different topics and concepts. Do join with us in upcoming days. You can also join our course and access the series MCQ daily through the Telegram poll manners. It's a very important to all of you that practice, and that makes a man perfect. So with this note, I would like to thank you or extend my humble gratitude to all of you, and I believe this is going to be a landmark for all of you. So those who are new to our channel, it's our request to do subscribe our channel, do like our channel, and do share with your friends, because sharing is caring. So also subscribe or like our channels. Thank you everyone for being part of these lessons, and I hope in upcoming day you will also join. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Jagannath.